Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I hope everyone doing safe and staying at home, not venturing out. In case if you're going out, try to wear a double mask and try to sanitize your hands every 5 minutes. Try to maintain 3 to 4 meters of distance from everyone. This is the only way we will get rid of and fight against the corona. And today's vlog is about a special gift which I have received from ex-BHP team and Castrol. So this gift I have received in the recent Hyderabad meetup, XBHP meetup Road Trip United 2021. In case if you want to know why I have received this gift, I will add the link in the description. You can go and watch that video fully. Then you can come back to this video and see the unboxing video. So let's unbox the gift which I have received. The pack which I have received from XBHP and the Castrol team. So let's unbox. Oh. So here is the box, Castrol Power One Ultimate. So let's see what's there in this box. Firstly, we have one T-shirt, and we'll unbox this later. And there is performance that surprises. And what's there in this? Oh, so this is about the Castrol Power One Ultimate and about their company. Keep this side. And coffee sipper, coffee mug. And two keychains, bike keychain or car keychain, you can use it. A lot of stickers. Castrol Power One Ultimate, and there's a one interesting about this. This is a torch. Oh, very nice. You can see this torch. So let's unbox this gift. Oh, there's a photo frame. I think there's the back side fully black. And front we have Castrol Power One Ultimate, performance that surprises. So there's a photo frame, we can keep it. There's a oil box, and there's a yeah. So I really like this, and you keep it, hang it everywhere, or you can keep it on the desk as well. And we have this t-shirt. Let me open this t-shirt. Oh, nice. From Puma. Yeah. Castrol Power One Ultimate. It's nice. I hope this will. This is my size. Yeah. Okay. So this is the letter which we have received from the Castrol in that pack. Let's open the letter and read what is there exactly. So here we can see they're talking about the Castrol brand with an innovative and pioneering spirit to anticipate and meet the needs. And here you can see excellent acceleration. Why we have to use this Castrol Power One? There are the 5 advantages everyone will have if we use this Castrol Power One. Excellent acceleration, excellent protection, enduring performances, smooth riding, and keep engine cool. Yeah, I definitely echo this because I've been using for other bikes as well from past more than 12 years Castrol Power One. And Castrol is more than just oil. Okay, along with this note, please find a small token of appreciation for your continued trust in Castrol, which has helped us strengthen our position as the leading lubrication brand in India. I'm counting on your trust going forward too. Yes, sure. I'm sure you will be keen to hit the road with your bike with the unlocking of the country in several parts. In today's difficult times, while you riding strong, please also remember to ride safe. And here the signature from Managing Director, Castrol India Limited, Sandeep Sangwan. Thank you, Sandeep Sangwan. And we have received this 5-in-1 formula Castrol Power Ultimate. So 10W50. This we have received. Each bottle is 1 liter. We have received three. And three, why I will tell you. There's a one interesting thing which is going to come in my future vlogs. I might be getting, or I have already booked a new bike. I will be releasing soon in couple of weeks the bike trailer. Then this oil will be used in that bike. So anyway, stay tuned. We'll see you in the next vlog with more interesting things. I hope you have liked this video, and please do subscribe and like and comment my videos.